Hello everyone. Before starting the mentorship program, before our first day of class, it is very important to install Xampp server. Okay, for installing an WordPress website or creating a WordPress website on a local host, it is very important to install a Xampp server. So be ready by installing the Xampp server, and here is a tutorial how you are going to do it. Just open your any favorite browser, Brave, Chrome, any browser, and here you will write install Xampp. Okay, so now I'm going to download my Xampp, and here on the first site, visit the first site, and this version for the Windows. So if someone is using Linux, you can install it from here, and someone is using MacBook can install it from here. I'm using Windows. I'll go here and use the first link, and I'll click here download 64-bit. After clicking here, I have to wait few seconds, so it will start downloading automatically. So just wait on this particular screen. Okay, it has been started downloading, and it is a 145 MB software. So it will be downloaded within few seconds in your laptop or desktop. Till then, what you are going to do is just open your folder. Okay, select your C drive or any drive you want. Inside this drive, what I'm going to do is I'll right click, I'll click on new, I'll click on folder and create a Xampp folder. Okay, so I have created a Xampp folder XAMPP. Okay, ignore this particular folder. This is another folder, so do not get confused. This is our main folder XAMPP, which I have created right now. Now, as you can see, my software is installed. So from wherever it is installed or directly, you can open this particular software. Okay, it will take a little bit time, it will get opened. Just click yes if it is asking any permission right now. I think so it will be not shown in my screen recording because that's a privacy permission. Now you have to click OK. Now go on next, and see here, this is already selected, the folder is already selected by default, but if it is not, just click in this icon and select the folder which you created. So inside this C drive, I have created this Xampp folder. Select this folder, click OK, and then I'll click next. I'll select my language English, and I'll click next, and now my Xampp server will be installed. Okay. In our first day of session, I'll tell you how we are going to create a WordPress site on localhost. So why is it very important to install Xampp? So let me clear this in this tutorial only. Suppose if you want to establish a website, suppose I open website of Prosperity Mind. I just search this and I'll open this website. So you can see it is standing on a Prosperity Mind .in address. And if you want to create a website, you have to get a host from Hostinger or any kind of website. You need to get a domain. Okay. For this domain and hosting services, you need to pay. Suppose I come here, I'll just log in and show you guys. Okay. Or without logging in, I can show you the prices of the host. Okay, I'll just click here on the domain. This is basically domain name .in, and suppose I enter my company name. Suppose it is Crazy Coders, and whenever I'll click on the search button, so we can see here. So what are the charges? So the charges are really very high. So without paying, we will set up it on a local host. So it will work on our computer's local host without any address. So after this is installed, this will take a little bit time. Okay, so just wait for few seconds. So okay guys, now my software, my Xampp is installed. Let me show you. See, now it is installed. Within few minutes it will be installed in your PC as well. Now just click on finish. Now what you have to do is, whenever before starting your project, just go to the search bar or where your applications are located, type here control panel. Okay, so not this one, this Xampp control panel. Open this panel, start this Apache server. Basically WordPress is a framework of PHP, and PHP runs on Apache server. So this is important. And database. So you have to store a data whenever you are creating a website. So start this MySQL server also. So now these both are started. So no problem up here. And now get ready for the amazing 2-month bootcamp. Get ready with your prerequisites. So this was one of the main prerequisites where most of the people were getting problems. So I created a tutorial for this. Thank you.